This is Tom Mealy for the Harrison Law Group, and as many of you know, the Harrison Law Group sponsors and supports many charities throughout the year. But there is nothing more satisfying than to see the excitement on a child's face as he waits the arrival of Santa. On December 11th, there'll be a toy drive to the St. Christopher's Residential Treatment Center. There'll be a parade of hundreds of motorcycles escorted by the Nassau County Police Department to the hospital, carrying toys for these special children. Join us as the Who Cares Committee presents their 26th annual toy run, with a party to follow at the VFW Hall with music by Bottoms Up. Sign up at the Hicksville Sears, 320 South Broadway. Kickstands are going to be up at 11:30. For more information on how you can help or give a small gift, call the Harrison Law Group. God bless, thank you, and we'll see you there.